Hey, what's up everybody? My name is Vivienne. I am the business software coach. In today's video, you will learn about one of the lean inventory tools, which is the one-piece flow. So today's video, we will cover on what is the one-piece flow in lean, how to implement one-piece flow, why is one-piece flow better. Okay, let's begin. Every practice in lean manufacturing is intended to support a just-in-time inventory strategy, which means you move inventory only when it is needed. One of the building blocks of lean inventory management is the concept of one-piece flow. Now, don't let the name fool you. Most people define one-piece flow as processing one item at a time throughout the factory from start to finish. That certainly is the ideal situation, and some industries like chip makers have been working on this goal for many years. But some companies define the terms one as one customer order rather than one unit of products. That's a good measure because lean teaches us that all our activities should be based on actual demand from our customers. No matter how you define one piece, the ideal is that products should move continuously through the factory from one workstation to the next. In fact, one-piece flow is often referred to as continuous flow manufacturing. In other words, there is no batching of products. With batching, a machine will produce a certain number of products before sending works to the next workstations. For example, if the company sells products by the case, material will move from one workstation to the next in batches of 12 units. This means that each unit of inventory sits at each workstation until the entire batch is processed. With batching, inventory begins to accumulate throughout the factory. With continuous flow, each item or each order moves as soon as it is completed, which keeps inventory from building up between workstations. From an inventory management view, this is very important benefit. One-piece flow also helps to reduce Muda, the Japanese word for any waste that is created by having non-value-added process step. So, with one-piece flow, employees don't waste time waiting for a new batch to arrive or transporting large batches unnecessarily. But one-piece flow is not for everyone. There are certain requirements for implementing this lean practice. First, your processes must be stable. If you have many quality issues, your production line will be constantly shut down. With one-piece flow, this means you will miss customers' delivery date. Second, your process time must be consistent. A lot of variations between workstations means some workstations will be storing inventory while other stations are waiting for works to arrive. Third, your equipment must be reliable. Machine breakdown will interrupt the flow of materials and cause late customers' delivery. Last, your process time must match the rate of customer demand. This is called takt time, and it is a key to implement continuous flow. For example, if your company is selling 10 units per day, and your factory should be able to produce 10 units per day, matching these two rates as closely as possible is vital to success. Is one-piece flow right for you in your operations? It's worth your time to investigate this then, because lean focuses on customer demand. Looking into takt time is a good place to begin. What is the rate of the customer's order at the factory? What's the rate of making finished products? If these two rates are closely matched, you may be good candidates to do this continuous flow manufacturing. Alright, so that's the end of my sharing in today's video. Once again, my name is Vivienne, and I am the business software coach who not only teaches theory but also develops software to fit the needs of real-world businesses. Please subscribe to my channels and hit the notifications bell here, or leave a aha comments if you learn something new from my video. This will definitely motivate me to make a weekly video like this to share with you guys, yeah? And I see you in my next video.